Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna change the door panels on my 2002 Chevy Trailblazer. Now, this is the reason why. This is the driver's side. Now, the passenger, I already finished it. That one was worse. So the problem is, I think in time, when you close the door and it doesn't close, let's say, completely. Obviously, we have the the habit of pulling it to close it, right? But since this is all loose already, clips, and with time, this starting to get weak and it breaks through the inside. See how when you pull and it's already it's almost about to detach, break completely from the inside. Like I said, the passenger was completely. I'll show you a picture and a little footage about the passenger door panel. So I'm gonna change these right now. All you gotta do is get a, let me see, there's a hole right there. It's a 10mm socket. Got it right there. Little extension right here. The other one's inside of right here, but you got to remove this. It has a clip here and a clip over here. So I'll show you that in a bit. See, what I use is a little flat screwdriver right here. That's a clip right there. The other one's over here. All you gotta do is disconnect these 3 connectors right here, and I'll show you where the other screw's at. Disconnected the door panel controls. The other one's over here on the inside. That one right there. So it's that one, and that one right there. And then there's all clips all around, the door. So you just pull carefully. So let me go ahead and take it out. Alright, guys, I took out all the clips, the door panel's loose. The thing I forgot to mention, how you gonna take that mirror control. So since you're already disconnected from the socket, the cable's loose, right? So all you gotta do is just pop it out from bottom up, push it up, and it comes right out. See, there it is. Put it on the side. Since my sponge came out, that one goes right there, keeping it from moisture and water to come in. This is where the mirror's at. Power for the mirror. So I'll be back at it. See how it broke right here? This is a piece that belongs right here. It broke completely already. So remember, when you take off the old door panel, make sure you get all the clips. Take them out and keep them for spare, because sometimes they break and they get damaged. You don't want to throw them away. So remember, keep all your clips. So I'll be back right now. Alright, guys, see, this is the piece that was stuck here. Took out the screw. This came loose. This is from the door panel. It was already broken. And then the other one is right here. So you see that round plastic that's around there? That's from the door panel also. So it was broken also. So let's get this out. See how old and damaged it was? This is what I was telling you to keep your clips. This is when you know that it's damaged. See? This is one that I took from the old one. See how it was complete? So all you gotta do to take it out is just slide it down, slide the new one up, and that's it. Now there's one missing on the one I'm gonna put, so slide it up in place. See, there it is. Now we gotta put the wiring. Top to bottom. Let's see. Pressure from one side. Once it clips, push the other side. And there you have it. Alright guys, see how it's done. Another thing that I forgot to mention is if your clips ain't broken for your deflectors, take them out carefully with a tiny small screwdriver or a door panel removal kit made out of plastic. So now remember guys that if these ain't broken yet and your door doesn't close completely, either open it and close it harder, or open your window, put your hand here and just give it a little pull so it could close completely. So never force it from here, because with time this will start breaking from the inside. So this is for, I'm pretty sure on the invoice also, but this is from my 2002 Chevy Trailblazer. So hope you guys learned something about the door panel breaking, what's causing it to break, and like, subscribe, comment, and there you have it. Peace, and I'm out.